Let's go first to Yanick in the Mozambican capital, Maputo. Good evening, Yanick.
Good evening, everyone. I'm right now getting the latest updates from the government. The government separated the updates in two different types. One is damage, and the other one is the response that the government is giving. But one thing that was announced and is very important is that the government said that the works of search and rescue are close to its end. Going to the damages are about 158,583 families that are still in need of care. And this corresponds to 794,000 people, of which 6,000 are vulnerable. It's important to refer that many food crops have been destroyed. About 474,000 acres have been destroyed, totally destroyed. And there's a great need for food. And the government said that the medical assistance and as well the medicine assistance are being taken care of. It's everything is secure when it's related to medical assistance and as well as for medicine. The great need that the government has said today is that they need about 900,000 mosquito nets and 900,000 kits of cholera. Because yesterday there were registered 5 cases of cholera, and 5 people died from cholera. 5 people died from cholera, and they most fear that this can turn into an outbreak. And right now there are 2,000 people suffering for diarrhea, and the government suspects that it might be cholera, and the government is making every effort to contain the outbreak. That's the major concern. In terms of response, the operations of search and rescue are being prosecuted by aerial means. I mean helicopters and planes, and the process is in its final stage. Many of the affected area have registered a reduction of the flood level, and many populations that have been rescued are returning to their places of origins, and they are starting to rebuild.